Hello, hello, fans and friends. This is Renee Retton, and we are starting on day 6 of our Canva training. And I have found a very cool tool from Canva that you are absolutely positively going to love. Okay, so let's jump on to our home page of Canva, and we're going to say an Instagram post. Now, what we're going to use as an example today is a book cover from my sister. She is a published author. She just got her second book published, and she has asked me to make her some graphics for a book signing that she has coming up. And so I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to grab her book cover. Now, I wanted to use a little bit of creativity in this design and didn't want to just have the book cover be all there was to it. So right now I have got the background selected. And so what Canva has done is they've made a link to a program that will pull out the colors that are in an image. So let me show you that right now. And it is called www.canva.com/color-palette-generator. Write that down in case I forget to leave the link in the video for you. So what it does is this. Let's see this image here, how it has pulled those colors from that image. You can see each of the colors that it's pulled from the image. So I'll show you, let it happen here right before your eyes. Now I uploaded her colors here, and look at that. So there's the red, and then all those shades of gray are pulled out here, and the black, and then then that gives me 5 colors of a color palette to choose from to make her graphic. I just think that is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to click copy here, and what that does is it copies this code, which is telling the computer this color. Okay, so let's go back to our design, and again I have the background selected here, and if I click on this up here, it'll let me change the color, and all I have to do is paste that color, and there it is. I click that, and now I have a background that is that steel blue, was it? What did they call it? Light steel blue color right out of her book there. Okay, so now another thing I'm going to do to give it a little bit more texture and visual is I'm going to take this here quick, and I am going to make it just a little bit different, different shape to it. Okay, now I'm going to change the color of that also. And I'm going to go back to the color palette generator. I'm going to grab that red color. I'm going to come back to my untitled design. And I'm going to click on this little white here, which is this section right here. You can see that it's highlighted because it's got, or that it's selected because it's got that selection markings around it. Okay, so I'm going to change that white to, I'm going to paste that red code that I copied. It creates it down here, and I'm going to paste that there. Now, I'm going to select my book. I have to click off of that. Okay, come on now, work with me here. Okay, so it's, the problem is that this whole big selected area is actually over the top of the book, and it is the top layer of 3 levels. So I can't select the book at this point. So what I'm going to do, I have this red selected. I'm going to position, which I've shown you before, and we're going to send that backwards. Okay, now I can select the book. And I'm going to make that book just a little bit larger. Now I'm going to add text. And I'm going to say river people. Whoops. Book signing. And the date. We'll just say date, time, location. And see how right now those words are centered in this box, in this text box. I'm going to highlight them and I'm going to make them a different text because I don't really care for that text. So let's just pick something just kind of real quick, like I like that a little bit better. And then it is in the center. If you look at this thing here, that tells the alignment of the text. If you click it once, it will go to the right. You click it again, or I'm sorry, it goes to the right, to the left. You click it again, it goes to the right, and then to the center. Left, right, center. So you can set that wherever you want it. Okay, so there's my real quick graphic and how I got the colors that match exactly to her book cover for River People. And if you want to get River People, by the way, it is on Amazon. Just had to put that plug in there. Okay, thanks guys. This is the end of day 6. And again, the address for that color generator is canva.com color-palette-generator. And I hope you enjoyed today's class, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.